how to remove copyrights from your video. This is one of my old videos. So on the 20th of November 2024 by 8:33, I got a message from YouTube saying, hey, this video cannot be monetized. So when I got monetized, I made sure to turn on all my old videos, kind of turn on monetization for all my old videos. So probably people started watching my old video, and I got a message from YouTube saying this video cannot be monetized. So let's see the options they have for us. So this is a video. As you can see here, they said important notification, your video cannot be monetized. Your video, Simply Delicious Banana Cupcake, cannot be monetized due to one or more copyright claims. Okay, let's see what the copyright claim is. So I'll head on to click the view option. Okay, this is the video. All right, I hope you guys can see. So let's see what they say here. So this is what they said about the video. Here they said channel not affected. This content ID claim on your videos doesn't affect this channel. It is not a copyright strike. Okay, that's good. Visibility, it is still public. Monetization, ineligible, cannot be monetized. Right, let's see what the problem is. Content identified in this video is listed below. Content used. Okay, so this is the reason why they gave me a copyright strike, a copyright claim, because I used a solo acoustic music. Right, okay, that is the reason for the copyright claim, because of the music. Video cannot be monetized here. So let's see the option they have for me here. I'll go ahead and click this select action. So here I have the option to erase the song, remove the claimed song while keeping other sounds such as speech or mute all sound. So the second option is replace song. Pick audio from the YouTube audio library to replace the claim audio and resolve the claim. And the final one is trim out segments. Cut out both the video and the audio in a claim segment to resolve the claim. So now my option will be I'm gonna pick a song from the YouTube library, okay? So replace the song. Right, so I'll click on this one, continue. So here, I'm just gonna search for the song. Okay, I already have one of my favorite songs that I got from YouTube library. Let's see if it's there. I started it. Oh, it's not here. It's not here. Okay, I've forgotten the name. So now I'm gonna search by duration. I'll move this to search from 5 minutes plus music. So now I've found two music to use. This Happy Bee Soft and the Smooth Sailing with Guitar. The previous music that I normally use, okay, I couldn't find it. Probably it's not on the list anymore. So I'm gonna add Happy Bee Soft first. Let's listen to it a little bit. It's not the best, but let's just manage it. Okay, I'm just gonna add this one first. You see this red line here shows where the copyright music is, and all of this must be covered for this video to be copyright free. So I've added the first one. So I'm just going to drag this line here, okay, to where the black line stopped. So I've just dragged the line to the end of where the black line is, this shade is, okay. So this red line here, this red shade represents the copyright area, okay. All of these places must be covered for this video to be copyright free. So let's go on and add the next one. We're going to be using this one. Let's listen to it a little bit. Not the best anyway, but we're still going to use it. Right, I'm just going to click on add. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to drag this second one down to the end. As you might have noticed, the red shades are all covered. Now they're all black now, okay? So what we're going to do next is to go up there, okay, here, and click save. Once you click save, this is what it says here. Ready to replace song. This process might take a while. Once the audio claim has been successfully replaced, we will update any viewing or monetization restriction. Okay, users will continue to see the current version of your video until the edits have been processed. Right, that's good. So I'm just going to click on save. Okay, and click on done. Right, here it says video editing is in progress. This process might take a while. You might leave the page and check back later. So that is how to remove copyrights from your video, okay? You don't necessarily have to delete the video, okay? Just go to the YouTube studio via the YouTube library, audio library, like we did, and just find music that you deem suitable for you, and just replace it, okay? Don't bother about deleting the video, re-editing, and re-uploading it again. I've done that once and it's not funny at all. So this is way more easier and better, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to others so that they will get to know about this simple hack of removing copyright music from your video. Stay blessed wherever you are. Bye for now. Bye, guys.